Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY APRES method. You guys, obsessed. You have to stay tuned for the video. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in this video as well. So stay tuned on how to enter and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm starting off by giving you guys a closer look at the nail tips. These are the closest nails that I found that are close to the APRES nails. So I will have these links below. And again, they are from Amazon and they are thick and sturdy and they look like gel tips. So these are my natural nails. I went ahead and prepped and primed them, and I also applied a layer of base coat. Okay, so for the star of the show is going to be my rhinestone glue. If you guys saw my last video where I did the laser girl method, this is what I used in that video to apply my stones. But you guys, I'm going to use it to apply my tips today, and I'm telling you, game changer, okay? So first I'm going to start off by removing the shine from the nails. I'm going to be using my e-file, but you can use a hand file to do this as well. And if you guys aren't familiar with APRES, it's a soft gel nail system where the tips are made of gel and they use gel to apply them. And it's supposed to cut down time as far as like filing and shaping and everything. These are not gel tips, but I'm telling you, they are the closest thing. And if you guys want to see a video of me comparing my method to the APRES method, then let me know down below. So now I'm just going in with my rhinestone glue and I'm going to apply that to the nail. I'm not going to be covering the whole nail, just the part that's going to be on my natural nail. And I'm going to put a nice thin layer because you don't want it to be spilling off over the sides, and you also don't want to be wasting any product. So I'm just going to use the brush that came along with the glue to apply that. And again, you guys, this is marketed as rhinestone glue, but you cannot tell me this is not builder gel. It works so good at applying these nails. You guys want to see throughout the video. So I'm going to apply the nail starting at the cuticle and then just push it down, pushing the gel forward, because you don't want to do it the other way starting from the tip, because then you'll end up with builder gel, well, not builder gel, but rhinestone glue all in your cuticles, and you don't want that. So you're just going to go ahead and hold it down with your finger and stick it in your nail lamp. I didn't show my nail lamp in the video because I'm gonna put a picture, but it was kind of ratchet how I had it set up, and as you guys can see, it's nice and secure, and just look how good and clean that looks. Like, the gel is just so clear, the nails are just so clear, like it just looks so good. Like, just look at that. And I did go ahead and put that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds and it cured really quickly, and the nails are nice and sturdy, and I just love this method so much, you guys. Like, I don't know about acrylic for me, you guys. I don't know. I have to move on. Like, just look at that. It looks so good. And another thing that I love about these nails is they look really good around the cuticle area. It just fits in there nice and snug. They don't look all thick. You know how some full cover tips, they don't look good around the cuticle area. These ones sit really nicely in the cuticle area. Why do I keep saying cuticle area? But you guys get what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing that to all the other nails. And I see, guys, I wanted to leave these nails clear. That's how much I really like them. But I ended up painting them later. But you know, if you want to leave them clear, you can. I did see some people do this method and they use like a pink builder gel, which that looked really nice too with the clear tip. And again, holding it, and I'm going to stick it in my nail lamp. And I just think it looks so neat and just clean and just quick and easy. I found this method to be a lot easier than the lazy girl method with the polygel. I just feel like this one holds better, even though that one did hold, but it was easier. This was a lot easier. There's no slip solution. You literally just apply the gel, put it on your nail, cure for 30 seconds, and go. And it just looks perfect every single time. Like, I just love it so much. There was no air bubbles. It was just really good, you guys. So how I ended up doing this was I planned on doing the APRES method with the actual APRES products. I went on their website and I was going to check out, and then my cart was over $100, which I'm probably still going to buy it, but I'm just like, let me look and see what I have. So I went and dug in my collection, and I was just like, wait, I think this could work. And I tried it out, you guys, and it works so good. I'm telling you guys, I'm on to something. You guys should try it. But this is how it looks. Just how neat and clean and beautiful. Like, just look how good that looks. And they're just so sturdy. Like, I'll tell you guys, these nails aren't budging. I still have these nails on today, and it's been about a week. no lifting, no nothing. Everything is just, it's just perfect. So I am going to go ahead and paint these nails. You don't have to, but I want to put a little design on them. So I'm going to go ahead and buff the shine off. And I'm just using my Young Nails buffing sponge for that. And I just think it looks so good. You guys can see how good it looks. If you guys wanted to make the nails thicker, you can by applying the rhinestone glue to the entire nail, but it just wasn't necessary for me, especially because I don't leave my nails on for any more than maybe 2 weeks. And also these nails are pretty sturdy on their own. So these are what the nails look like after I've buffed and shaped them. So I'm going to be going in with another Born Pretty polish. I know you guys, I said I was going to get new polish. I am. It just hasn't come yet. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin coat. The name will be on the screen because I can't think of the name of this polish. But I was like, hold on. I don't think I've done navy on my channel. And if I have, it's been a really long time. And this color is just really pretty. So I did end up applying 3 coats of this polish. I could have got away with 2, but because I wanted to add just a little bit more thickness to the nails, I went ahead and applied 3 coats of this to the nails, and I just cured it in my nail lamp. But this polish is beautiful, you guys. I still have it on. I'm looking at it right now, and I just think it looks really good. You know, I'm so used to the purples and the pinks and the whites and the nudes, but I said, listen, I'm trying to change it up for you guys. I can't put pink polish on every day, so I did this blue, and I'm obsessed, and I will have it linked below for you guys. So these are what the nails look like after I applied all 3 coats of the polish. I think this color is so bomb. I'm so mad I haven't used it sooner. So now I'm going to go into my Valentino top coat. I'm going to go ahead and apply that. But I'm not going to cure it because right after that I'm going to go right into my rhinestone glue. Because this stuff is multi-use, okay? I can do so much with this. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that right on top because I'm going to be applying these cute shapes. These little gold shapes that I got from Born Pretty. I'm going to apply those on there because I was looking at my collection. I'm just like, I haven't used them yet, so let me go ahead and throw them on my channel. And I'm just using the squares and the triangle, and I did apply them to all the nails. And I just thought it looked really cute. Definitely different for me because, you know, I'm more like a rhinestone girl, but this gold and this navy together was just everything for me, okay? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to all of the nails. Okay guys, so for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the nail tips that I used in this video, which is a 500 piece stiletto clear nail tips. And I'm also going to be giving away this bomb gel, and it also comes along with 3 brushes. I love this method so much, so I want you guys to be able to try it too. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and I'm just going to use one of those sites where I put you guys' name in and then it randomly picks it, and then I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner to my giveaway in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways on my channel, so stay tuned for those as well. And for my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I encapsulate some flowers using the same rhinestone glue. I'm telling you guys, you can do so much with this glue, and for it to be so affordable, it's just so bomb. But these are the finished nails, you guys. I think they came out so cute, really different from my channel, but I'm obsessed. Thank you all so much for watching, and please leave me some video suggestions down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.